Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet kids and babies dresses ideas. It's a totally frock collection and very aesthetic and very amazing color combination. Your kids when wear these beautiful designs, so they look very beautiful and attractive. So must make these beautiful design for yourself, for your kids, for your friends kids as a gifting. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because viewers, all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love these type of beautiful and trending collection. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending designs of handmade crochet baby frocks. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and trending ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful design for yourself, for your kids, for more beautiful and enhanced look. Thank you Viva for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So Weaver, now I am share with you some benefits of crochet dresses. The number one is adorable and unique. Handmade crochet frocks are one of a kind, making your babies stand out. Soft and comfortable, crochet fabric is gentle on baby's skin, perfect for sensitive newborn babies. It's a breathable and lightweight. Crochet allows for airflow, keeping baby cool and comfortable. Easy to care for, crochet frocks are often easy to wash and dry, making them practical for parents. The number fifth one is customizable. Choose your perfect yarn and color and patterns to match your styles. Number 6 is special gift. A handmade crocheted frocks makes a thoughtful and personalized gift for your new parents. It's a cost effective. Crocheting a frock can be a more budget friendly than buying a ready made ones. Number 8 is develop skills. Crocheting for your babies helps you develop your skills and creates a sense of accomplishment. Emotional connection. Crocheting something for your babies, your bond and create a keepsake. It's a timeless. Crochet frocks can be passed down to future generations, making a family heirlooms. Would you like to know these beautiful articles and weavers? I am share with you some main question in all the beginners mind. What is the crochet? Crochet is a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. If you want and if you are looking for crochet resources, I can provide you some basic instructions. I can provide step by step instruction for your basic crochet stitches and techniques. And if you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas and more patterns, I can offer a wide range of crochet patterns for various projects, from scarf to afghan and blankets and toys. Tips and tricks. I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Viewer, I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very kind and very sportive. Be sport me like this forever. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.